Hello, my beautiful people. We have finally catch them. Hi, we have catch them. Stay tuned. Let the video begin. I need to drink water. This topic is hot. This topic is kind of hot. Grab your cup of tea, water, whatever you have. Sit down. Let the video begin. Hi! They are cheating on us. We catch them. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Baby Z. Hi. This topic today, guys, as you can see the title, could this be the fake QEI plus? My girlfriend friend, you know, a friend has a friend, but a QEI plus. She's been using this cream now for almost 1 to 2 months, but she see no result. She is just seeing breakout, rashes. She gets dark, and darker. And my friend tell me that, Baby Z, you know I'm about creams. This my friend buy one cream in one shop. I don't know which shop she bought it. She said she bought this QEI plus. She's using it. She's just getting dark and darker. I say, but what is the problem? I say, but why she don't order it on their website? She said, this is my friend. She don't know too much, and she bought it in the shop, and she thought maybe this cream can be working for her. I say, what? I say, you know what? Bring this cream for me. Let me see this cream. Let me compare it with the one I bought in the company, because I always bought my own QEI plus in their company. I bought it from the company. So I tell this my girlfriend. I said, tell your friend to bring this cream to your place, so you can bring it to me, so I can compare the two cream. Let me see what is the problem. See if there is any difference between the fake and the original. And I started looking. I started doing the comparison. As you can see, this is my own. This is my own. I always order on their website. And this is the one she bought. As you can see, it's still new. It's still new. This is the one she bought. This is my own. It's old, as you can see. It's already old. I started compare the two together, guys. Ask me what they forget to put. Hi, guys. That's why I tell you, order your cream online for safety purpose, for safety reason. Order your cream. It doesn't matter which type of cream you are using. Order it online. It's better. And I started compare. I think they forget to put the expired date. The expired date. I mean, this fake company, they forget to write the expired date, because the original company can never forget anything, because everything is on set. This is my own. As you can see, it has an expired date. You see the expired date? This is my own. It has expired date here. And this is the one she bought. Look, nothing, no expired date, nothing. It's very difficult to see. I have to compare the two together. I compare the front, everything is okay. I say, but it's the same. They copy it the same, even if it's the fake. They know how to copy, because everything is the same. And I look at the back, and I see my own. I order from their website. It have expired dates, and the one she bought on shop, it has no expired date. I say, oh, this is the fake. This is the fake, guys. This is the fake. So look your cream. If you buy your cream in any shop, go and check it. Check it if it has expired date. If it has no expired date, it's the fake QEI plus. It's fake. Fake. Hey, these people. Hey, God, this fake company. This fake company. I wish we can just arrest them. I started arresting them one by one, because this cream here, this D cream here, is very expensive. Some of this cream, they are expensive. How can somebody waste his money? only to come and use the cream will be bringing rash on your face, keep making you to be darker, 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 and get more darker than you are before, than you was before. What is this? This is waste of money. If you are using QEI Plus, go and check the back now. If it has no expire date and you bought it in the shop, my sister, you are using fake. Fake, 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 fake. Fake! Order your QEI Plus online. Do not bought it in any shop. Make sure you bought it in this standard shop, this big shop, this Paris big shop. You know that you get it there. Not this small shop. They are selling fake products. Fake. See what they did to this girl. See, this girl was a little bit fair. Since she started using this QEI Plus, this fake QEI Plus, she was getting darker. She's just getting darker. And not only gets darker, she's having rashes on her face, her body, all over is rashes. And she don't understand. She tells my friend, this my friend have to call me. And say, baby Z, you have used QEI Plus before. Please, my girlfriend bought this cream from the shop, but she's using it, she's getting darker, and she's getting rashes all over her body. We don't know why. And I said, what is the problem? And I tell her to bring for me the cream, and she did. Yesterday she bring the cream for me, but I don't have time because I have 2-3 things to do. So I say, okay, let me take my time to do this video today. Guys, as you can see the difference, you see, this one have expired date. This one has no expired date. As you can see, that means this one is a fake QEI Plus. This is the original. The front is the, see, as you can see, the front is the same. The front is the same. The front, there is no different. And the cream inside, the original is little bit is white. This one too is white, but it's not that shiny like the original one. Guys, this cream here is fake. Wait, let me show you. You believe what I'm talking. Look at. You see? It's not that white inside. It look that kind of creamy color, creamy. The original QEI is completely white. It's white. I mean white, total white. This one is creamy color. It looks creamy inside. The color is like creamy white. It's not completely white. It's creamy white. You see what they are doing to people? Just selling fake products up and down, bringing fake products. This is not fair. This is very bad. This is bad. I wish I can know where some of these famous they are, so we can destroy, so we can. What is this? What is this? This is not fair. It's not fair. Somebody wastes his money to go and buy, just to go and buy cream. You want your skin to look glow, shine, and you come out, you go and buy mess. All your body started messing up with the rashes and dark. You getting more darker and rashes. What is this? What is this? At least if the cream is not getting you 1 shade lighter, but the cream not supposed to give you rash. It's supposed to give you that smooth skin, you know, smooth. Your skin is supposed to be smooth. My God, this is not fair. This is not fair. Hey, how can it be? See, this one is Satan that catch them. It's not. It's Satan that catch them. This company, Satan catch them. I think they forgot to put the expire date. It's forgot that they forget to put the expire date. You see? Because the original company, the original company can never forget to put the expire date. If it's the fake you people want to make, you decided to make fake, to make your own money there, at least take your time. Take your time, at least for compare it with the original. So at least it cannot be damaging people's skin. But it's not fair. You go and make your own fake product and add another substances inside that can destroy people's skin. This is not good. So my advice to you, my friends out there, if you only wanted to use QEI Plus, please make sure you watch it. Make sure you watch it. You compare. If you don't have expired dates, don't buy it. It can be fake. It can be fake. And make sure you get it from their website or this big standard shop. Because most of these small shop, all of them, they are selling fake. Yes, people are selling fake product to us. Fake, 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 fake. Fake. See, since yesterday I'm doing this comparison, it's very difficult to me to see. My heart just say, okay, let me just look at my own. The expired date. My own have expired date. And the fake one here, the one she bought on shop, have no expired date. Nothing. As you can see how the place is clean. Nothing, no expired date. They forgot to put it there. They forgot to write the expired date. They forgot to write it there. My God, this is not fair. This is not fair. Oh. It's not fair. It's not good. If people make sure you make nice things for people to be using, even if you want to make fake, at least make fake with standard. Don't go and copy. You make your own as if, I don't know, as if it's animal that will come and use it. At least take your time to make your fake product. Because me, I'll never fall in that kind of trap. My own baby said, I will never fall in that trap. I'll order it from their website. I cannot order it. I'll order it. I cannot buy it in any shop. Because most of you guys are just there wanting to make fast money and be selling fake to people. This thing is really paining me, guys. I'm so sorry if my mood is my temper is 50 degrees. I'm so sorry, but I'm really hungry. I'm really angry now because of these people. They are just selling things that are destroying people's body. They are just there for their own interest. For their own interest. They don't care about the other people. They don't care about how people body destroy, or how people body get spoiled. They don't care. They just care about what is coming into their pocket. It's not fair, you know. And this their cream here is a bit expensive, you know. For really average people, it's expensive. So we want, if we put our money, we invest our money there, we want to see the results on our skin. We don't want to go and put our money there and start seeing rubbish on our skin. It's not fair. Fake companies. You people have to stop this. Oh, people stop copying people products. Stop copying. What is this? Stop copying. Create your own. Bring your own things. Bring your own cream. Bring your own. Write your own name there. But don't go and copy people products and you make it somehow. You just make it your own way, just to out of your own interest, to make money. It's very, very bad. It's bad. It's bad. I mean, it's bad. Fake company everywhere, guys. Especially if you are using your QEI, François Bedon. Name it. All this big brand. People are making too much fake because they know that it's expensive. And if they copy it, they can really make money out of it. And that is bad. They don't care about the people. They only care about their selfish interests. They only care about their pockets. And that is too bad. Too bad. Too bad. This is nonsense. It's nonsense. God. Why people are doing this to others? Why? Just for their own interest. Just for their own pocket. Just for their own pocket. God. I'm so upset. I'm so upset, guys. Please forgive me. Yeah? This video, my temper is 50 degrees. 50 degrees. I'm so upset. Because this company here, they are doing really bad things to people. They are doing bad. They like copy. That's why they copy all this cream from these big brands and make their own rubbish products and started selling it to people and make money. What is this? At least if you are making your fake product, you want to copy the right way. At least they write all the ingredients, they list it, what they put in there. You to try to copy it, to put all the ingredients so that it can match with the original. So you cannot put something that can destroy people's skin. But you cannot go and add your own extra things there, extra products there. So when people started using it, started damaging their body, started damaging their skin. It's not fair, guys. You guys have to really stop it. Stop. Fake companies, stop. Hello, stop. Guys, please, if you want to use cream, order it online. Make sure you order your cream online. All cream have their websites. They have their websites. Order it online. Make sure you order it online for safety purpose, for your own body. For your own body, because some people, this fake company outside, they don't care about the people's body because they don't use the cream anyway. They only make it to sell it out there just to gain what is coming in their pockets. That's all. Okay, guys, I think this video, I'm a little bit upset. My degree is a little bit high, guys. Just forgive me, guys, but I'm like that. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video. If you are new, you are so welcome to BBZ channel. If you have already subscribed, thank you. And thank you to all my old subscribers. You guys are amazing. Okay, guys, so this is the end of this video. Please, if you want to buy your cream, especially from these big brands, go in their websites, because most of them, they are expensive. It's not good you go and put your money, expensive money, just to go and get fake. It's not good. So make sure you order your cream on the website. It doesn't matter which type of cream, but especially this cream from this big brand, big brand, make sure you order it on their website. All of them has websites from this big brand. If you even don't have access to order to order, find somebody that have the access to order, that can order for you. Please, for your own safety purpose, don't go and use cream that is fake. At the end of the day, started destroying your body like what my friend has now. That's very bad. Okay, guys, see you next, or you see me next. Bye.